Just got a comment from a woman that gained 60 pounds back, and she's, as you can understand, kind of devastated by that. I just wanted to tell that woman and any of you out there that are like her, if you've gained weight back, don't worry. We know exactly how you feel, because so many of our very successful clients have felt the exact same way. And what they found is, first, once they come see us and they realize, hey, there's no shame in that. It happens. There's nothing to be guilty about it. Circumstances and situations happen that are beyond your control, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. So you should never feel remorseful for that. But once you just make that decision to get started again, it can be very easy. If you're the type of person that's lost 60 pounds, I assure you, you're the type of person that can lose it again. And then with a few simple swaps, you're the type of person that will learn with lifestyle swaps to keep it off. So that's the good news. Keep it up.